Hello guys, hello. Welcome to the 100 DevOps Challenge of Coding Cloud. So we are at the what is the day? We are at day 39. Okay. So we are at day 39 of the 100 days of DevOps Challenge. How are you guys feeling? Just tell me how you guys are feeling. I hope you all liking this session and getting a great and huge response from all of you. And it's very good seeing all of you participating in such a huge number and then liking this session. So without wasting as I'm telling everyone, without wasting much more time, let's just jump into our day 39 of the 100 days of DevOps challenge. So in day 39, as you have already seen the thumbnail and maybe the challenge as well, in day 39 what we have to do is we have to create a Docker image from our running container. So the container is running. Now we have to create a Docker image and can publish it to a repository so that it can be used in the future. I hope all of you are getting it. What is the use of creating a Docker image? With the help of a Docker image, we can, with that image is compatible if we can run on any server. So this is basically the use of creating a image from a container. Moreover, it's a running container. So what we have to do, let's first read the task. On the Nautilus developer was working to test some changes in a container. He wants to keep a backup of his changes in the container. Okay, so he needs a backup of a container. So a new request has been raised for the DevOps team to create an image from the container. So I think they have an image which we have to create on app server 2. So without wasting much more thought and without giving a second thought on this, let's create let's first SSH it to our app server 2. This is the currency of app server 2 which they have to. So let's first SSH into what is the name of this? Steve at this we would like to connect. Let's put the password and with that parallelly write a boom in the chat if you all are with me and have successfully logged into our Steve server. Let's check who am I? I am a Steve. Okay. Okay, so we have logged in our app server 2. Now what we have to do here is to first let's check that the Docker system is running or not. Our system CTL status Docker. You can see here Docker service is active and running. So we have to do nothing on this. So what we have to now do? Let's list the container. Like as they have seen that the container is already running. You can see the container name with Ubuntu images in this directory command is already running and updated 12 minutes ago. With the tag Ubuntu latest which is already given here. It's already running. If you inspect this no, just a second. Anything else? Okay. Let's use inspect. Maybe you can use the container ID as well or inspect. You can see there this use this status is running and the name of the server is Ubuntu latest. And what other things are important is the path which is here inside bin plus image is Ubuntu, and another one is most important is network which we will do cover later. Bridge network, and yeah, this can also be used to log to the. Okay, so we are already signed in and the container of this is already running. So what you have to do, we have created image exfusion games underscore exfusion. We have to check for the changes in a container now. That means you can get this. See, is there any change in the container? You can see USR are there, USRC, APT list, and all these are the changes. These are difference we are finding. Now, what are the initial changes which are being done? This command is optional, but it will display the file system which are and all the changes made in the container compared to the original image. And now what we have to do, we have commented. Like, see, we already have this Ubuntu latest image. Okay, what we have to do, we have to commit this Ubuntu latest image to where we have to create an image keeps exit. See this commit this Ubuntu latest. We already have this image. What we have to do, we have to just create an image with this. Now from this we have to copy it to the exfusion which is already given to us. Now it's coming and you see, you can see what it has pointed. It has given you an hash code. You have already seen the hash code for the in the token aspect. If you see this one, not this one, where is this? Yeah, this is the image tag, which is the ID of image. And you can see 97 and now we have committed it with this ID. This is the new hash code which you have already seen. So what this commit operation will do, it will capture a current container state, either it is running or not, and now it will create a new layer with the changes, and it will assign a repository and tag which we have already mentioned. Now, if previously we have created a Docker image, we can see that only one image was there. When we have written Docker images, we can see only one image. But let's now again run the Docker images command and just verify. Yes, you can see right a boom in the chat. You can see games exfusion tag. See the repository games has tag exfusion which was given is already created about a minute ago of size 134 MB. Now what is this? We have why you can see here as well. The latest Ubuntu image size was 78 and now the game size was 134 MB. Why it was? Because there is the overhead of committed changes it represent committed changes and layers in the image size. So that's why if you commit an image, it's generally some commit files are there with it. So the size is large. And we have installed a new layer. Okay. Now we will what we will do, we will run this. image. What is the name of this image? Exfusion. Yes, you can see here we are in the inside the container and we can see all the directories here. So without wasting much more time, let's submit our task. Just a second. Okay. So without wasting more time, let's submit this task and see. Write down in the chat, guys, if you are able to complete this task at one go. What we have learned in this task, we have created. They already we have the our Docker is already installed. The image is already created and running. What we have to do from that image, we have to commit another image. We have created another Ubuntu latest image and have successfully run this command. Write a boom in the chat if you are able to do it at one go and you streak. Just do it. Write a boom in the chat if you all have completed the day 39 task with me. So we will meet at day 40 of the task where we will learn about Docker exec. Docker exec, I have already told you what is the use of it. It is used for troubleshooting purpose and go inside the container. Suppose if you have Ubuntu image, so if you go inside that Ubuntu container, you will run the complete Ubuntu commands in it. This is the use of exec operation. We will learn this in day 40. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye. Yes, definitely I will help you out on this task. Yeah. So if you have any doubt, you can just ping me in the comment. And you must have to like, share, and subscribe every time I'm saying this because this is a task which no one else is doing. Everyone is providing you a Git repository and just do it, go and do it alone. No one is making you to understand what is the use of a particular command which I am doing. So yeah, please say, like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the stream, share it with everyone so that your friendly DevOps engineer also learn from this task. So yeah, signing off for now, and we will meet you on day 40 challenge on Docker exec operations. So till then, goodbye. Stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Ending the stream in 3, 2, 1. Bye.